Let's go then. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20 years, never look better. Bought a brand new panorama, sold my soul to the devil. You can call me Mr. Greatest on a whole nother level. Now you got me in my element. All of you others irrelevant.
What's good, YouTube? Yeah, so I'm just trying to figure out, trying to find a video that y'all requested to recommend me to watch. And this one is called Animals Giving Birth. Look, don't look at me. I'm not selecting this. Yeah, I told them y'all wanted me to watch this. I pull up a poll. I asked y'all, not a poll, but I asked y'all on my Instagram what y'all want me to watch. And y'all nasty asses said Animals Giving Birth. Who wanna watch that? Not me, but it's for YouTube, so we're gonna watch it. So this video is 5 minutes and 48 seconds long. So alright, my name is Antoine. My bad, y'all. Shoot, my name is Antoine. What's good, y'all? Son, I'm playing. My name is Antoine. This is my channel, Living Like an Ant. And yeah. So why you keep walking in? Shit, why you keep throwing stuff in here? Anyway, so yeah. Animals Giving Birth. That's what we're gonna watch. This shit finna be nasty. Oh, first, before we start, let me take a little sip. If you're wondering what I'm drinking, it is Tito's mixed in with lime. If you want to find it at the stores, this is what it looks like. Alright. So let's get to it. This shit's gonna be nasty. Not crazy, nasty. So let's get to it. Oh! Oh, okay. God damn. Okay. Hey, what is that white stuff under him? Her. Shit. Why are you tasting her? Aww. That's what monkeys, gorillas do. How they kiss their kids. Oh, she probably cleaned her off, cleaned the baby off with all that moist shit on it. The video just froze? Oh. It pulled it out. That's what it looked like. It just it look. It just it. Hold up. It looked like it was like. That's what it looked like it was doing. Like. Oh no, that's what it looked like. Pink, red. That's how it starts off looking like. Oh, okay. Oh. Gaber. That's what's up. Another one? Dang. Push that one out. Busting his head a little bit. How many kids? That's what's up. How many kids though? Is it still going? Dog. I hear it. I hear it. That's her. Oh. Oh. It eats the thing. And there's two. That's a dog looking at this. Puppy looking at this. I like dogs, yeah. I love dogs, y'all. It's lit. That's lit. Yeah, the dog part, that was the only one that I was alright with. That first one, that gorilla, oh man. But anyway, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you want to know my social media sites, it's down below in the comment section. I think down below the comment section. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm Antoine. I'm out. Peace.
I've been feeling 20 all day. Did you miss me? Yeah, I bet you did. I see it in your face. Light a match and throw it on me, and I blow up this whole place. I break the rules like the government. I do it just for the fun of it.